Dini, welcome to my vlog. Okay, ganyan na. Lulo. Just buy what I need tomorrow for me. It's already night time, but outside is still very bright. The sun is not sitting yet. Six something. Almost 6:30. Anyway, almost weekend. I just want to share to everyone about may applying work Albania. The second interview, they cancel it. Maybe that's not for me. But the agency messaged me they're asking me again the video presentation. Maybe they're gonna find, they're gonna find the new employer. They will find a new employer to but I did not yet pay any money because I want to make sure that before I pay money I have already job offer. This is the WTC mall. Almost every day I'm coming here. I see, it's still very bright, almost 7 o'clock already. But the sun still outside, not yet sitting. The sun is not sitting. See, the sun is very still bright, not yet sunset. Not yet sunset. It's already almost 7 o'clock. This is donation box. I have clothes there that cannot fit me anymore because I gain weight. All my clothes is became very tight for me. Some of my clothes I gave already to my friend. I don't have budget to pay for sending package to Philippines. That's why I give it away or I put it in the donation box. See, I have there, I separate the clothes that cannot fit me anymore. I don't use it anymore. I give it away. I gonna give it to my friend or I donation box. This is donation box. But the sun still, the sun, not sunset yet. It's almost 7 o'clock. I think the sunset is 7 o'clock. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, comment, suggestion, and of course, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye. See?